अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। बायोलॉजी 9th कैंटा पब्लिशर की बुक है, उसका चैप्टर नंबर 1 इंट्रोडक्शन टू बायोलॉजी। आज हम उसकी एक्सरसाइज के शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स आपके सामने आपको दिखा रहे हैं। आप देखें, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, व्हाट इज़ डिफरेंस बिटवीन थ्योरी एंड लॉ इन साइंस। तो इसमें जो डिफरेंस है वो इसका आंसर हमने यहाँ पर लिख दिया, आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हैं। ठीक है। A scientific theory is a well-sustained explanation of some aspect of natural world that is based on a body of evidence and has stood up to repeating tests and observations. It explains why phenomena occur, while a scientific law is a statement that describes an observable occurrence in nature that appears to always be true. It predicts what happens but does not explain why. What does a qualitative observation focus on? Answer: a qualitative observation focuses on the qualities or characteristics of something, describing its properties in non-numerical terms. Examples include color, texture, smell, taste, and appearance. Next is to describe the role of independent variable in an experiment. And the independent variable is deliberately changed or manipulated by experimenter to observe its effect on dependent variable. It is presumed cause in cause and effect relationship being tested. Question number 4: how is inductive reasoning different from deductive reasoning? Inductive reasoning involves making a generalization based on specific observations or instances. It moves from one specific instances to broader generalization. Deductive reasoning, on the other hand, involves starting with general statement or hypothesis or examining the possibilities to reach a specific logical conclusion. It moves from general principles to specific instances. Question number 5: in what ways are the scientific results communicated? Scientific results are communicated through various means such as peer-reviewed journal articles, conference presentations, scientific reports, books, and through media outlets. Additionally, the results can be shared through online platforms, posters, and presentations at academic and professional meetings. What kind of information does the scientific law provide? A scientific law provides a concise description of consistent natural phenomena. It tells us what happens under specific conditions but does not explain why it happens. Laws are often expressed mathematically. So all these exercise short questions completed from Biology 9th Kanta Publisher book chapter number 1.